Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Excel. So actually it is very easy. First of all, of course, you need to open Excel, and for example here in the column A I have a list of or a list of numbers, and here as you can see there are some duplicates, for example 1010, but there are too many of them. So if I will do it one by one, it would take so long. So I need to, as you can see, 1010, I need to remove them at once. To do this, I need to simply select the column where I want to remove some of the duplicates, and here I need to choose simply data. Now I need to find remove duplicates option right here and click on it, and basically now all you have to do is to click OK once again, and as you can see it tells us 12 duplicate values found and removed and 455 left. So now you simply click on the OK button, and as you can see only 110 is remaining and no other 10s in this column. But moreover, I will tell you that it also works with the words. So as you can see, if I will type the king with a small k and with a large K, it will also say that this is a duplicate, and if I will try to remove the duplicate, it will remove one of the kings. And basically that is it. That is how you can remove duplicates in Excel. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.